Nearly 96 years ago, an African-American carpenter named Vivien Thomas began an unexpected journey. Born in 1910, Thomas faced numerous challenges from a young age. Without a formal medical degree, he entered the world of surgery, driven by a passion for science and a determination to make a difference. A field closed to him due to both his race and lack of education. Despite these barriers, Thomas's resilience and ingenuity shone through. Yet, through his groundbreaking work, Thomas would go on to change the course of medical history forever, pioneering techniques that saved countless lives. Vivien Thomas started his career as a skilled carpenter in Tennessee, working diligently in a carpentry shop. However, his life would take a dramatic and unexpected turn when he met Dr. Alfred Blalock, a pioneering heart surgeon. Dr. Blalock recognized Thomas's potential and hired him as a lab assistant at Johns Hopkins University, one of the most prestigious medical institutions in the world. Despite having no formal medical training, Thomas's ingenuity and dedication shone through. Little did he know that this job would not only change his life but also revolutionize the field of heart surgery, making him one of the most influential figures in modern medical history. Blalock recognized Thomas's raw talent and mechanical skills, and together, they developed a revolutionary surgical procedure to treat blue baby syndrome, a congenital heart defect in infants. Thomas, often working behind the scenes, developed the techniques and even trained surgeons, all while receiving no formal recognition. Despite his pivotal role in pioneering surgical techniques, Vivien Thomas faced harsh racial discrimination, which kept him from receiving the recognition he deserved. His groundbreaking work was often overshadowed by the racial prejudices of the time. He wasn't given the title of surgeon and often had to work in the shadows, performing complex procedures without acknowledgement, while Dr. Blalock was credited with the breakthroughs. The medical community celebrated Blalock's achievements, leaving Thomas in the background. Thomas's name was omitted from medical journals and publications, his contributions hidden from the public eye, and his contributions went largely unrecognized for decades. It wasn't until much later that his legacy began to receive the acknowledgement it truly deserved. After years of silence, Vivien Thomas's contributions finally came to light. In 1976, Johns Hopkins University honored him with an honorary doctorate degree, recognizing his life's work. Today, his legacy is celebrated in medical history as a man who revolutionized heart surgery, proving that talent, regardless of background, can change the world.